Okay, for anybody who's interested in switching out these valves here from the new one, from the old one to the new one, your new one comes with this, just like this. Now that bottom piece, leave that in there. Take a crescent wrench and break that loose right there. Take that piece there off. You won't need it. Take it off. Set it aside. Leave that just like that. And then over here on your old one, this is how it comes with the machine. You want to take this whole entire assembly out. So take a crescent wrench and do it. Take that whole assembly out. Like that right there. Oops. Okay. Now that's what'll come out of the old one. Take that one right there. Now I've had it loosened already, but take that. Take you some Teflon tape here. Get a clean edge. Okay. Put you a little bit of Teflon tape. Okay. Screw it into the new one, just like that. Tighten her down. Oh well, need a wrench now, but not too tight, and you're done. Your hose fits on that. In fact, let me show you on my machine. This is my machine. I got a little fan back there to keep my do that. Put your pump in place. Take your new hose, which is the smaller diameter hose that I got from Harvest Right. I'll put a link to that because it actually works pretty good. It's only like $16. Really works good. Take that. Uh-oh. There we go. Fits on there just like that. And get it all nice and tight, and then you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Alright, I hope this helps. Like I say, look for links to this and probably even to this one. So, okay guys, thanks for watching.